Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I am editing my videos. Hindi ko alam na ganito pala katagal. So we're gonna have to wait 3 hours and 60 minutes to upload the video para ma-upload siya sa YouTube. So right now I am currently making a supper. So right now, we'll just cover this. What we're gonna make is a pork tenderloin, and we're gonna have to bake it. And I put 365 degrees bake, and then we're gonna have to leave it in there for an hour, and then we will make rice. Okay, I started cooking, so, and also this. So I have to put this in here, and then I actually made a smoothies. Naging wala po siya kasi dapat meron siyang, what do you call this one? A yogurt. Pero na-expired na yung yogurt nung last March 30th. So, I just used milk. And, let's see. What should I need to? Hopefully matapos na yung pag-upload ng video na to. So, I'm just gonna try this smoothies here. Let's go try these smoothies here. Para siyang naging ice cream. That's good. Hindi ko siya nilagyan ng sugar because I don't like too much sugar. And the milk that I put on with this is hindi siya lactose free siya because I am a lactose intolerant. So kapag may lactose siya, ay nako, good luck sa akin. I kind of like it. By the way, I bought a tripod. This is the one that I'm currently using right now. So I bought it from Amazon, and it says Cam Kicks. It's pretty sturdy. Matibay siya. Kaya lang ang problema, it's too tight on my phone because I have a big phone. I have an iPhone XR. But if you have a smaller phone, it's way better. So, but if you have 6 Plus, 7 Plus, 8 Plus, XR, or I'm not sure about XS Max, make sure you have a case, especially from 8 to XS Max or Samsung, anything that has like a glass backplate or back cover, you need to case kasi baka makrack mo siya, makrack mo yung ang tawag yung backplate ng phone mo. So ang mahal pa man din na magpapagawa, but so far it's good. But I have to hold it right now kasi ang problema lang dito, kapag binitawan ko siya, bumababa siya kasi mabigat yung phone ko. So I guess it's not that good, pero I'll buy a pretty one next time. Also later on, I'll show you how to I'll show you what I put on my face, though I don't have a very good skin, but I try to take good care of it. Ewan ko, hindi na gumanda yung mukha ko mula nung high school ako. Nagkaroon ako ng mga tagyawar. I got a lot of pimples there, and I did everything para mawala sila. Mawawala man, afterwards they will come back. But right now, it's just here. And then what left is yung mga scars ko. So, but I do not want to spend a lot of money para sa face ko kasi wala naman hindi naman siya nagbabago. Hindi naman nagbabago yung itsura ko. You know, ang problema lang, wrinkles. Nakakaroon na ako ng wrinkles kasi alam mo naman, tumatanda na tayo. So, medyo may edad-edad na. Kahit sabihin ng mga ibang tao dyan, lalo ng mga ibang lahi na, oh, you look so young. Are you sure you're 35? I'm actually 34. Turning 35 this month. I know, right? But then I was like, you know what? I am 34, but in my heart, I'm 25. Oh, diba? Bongacious. Hey guys, I hope you guys can see me right now. So, lumipat ako dito sa sopa kasi I want some little bit of a light. And I hope you guys can see me clearly, especially my pores, my tagyawat. And as you can see, hindi smooth yung face ko. But it's alright. It is what it is, right? So, I try to put everything like as much as I can. So, para ma-prevent ko yung kasi I'm having some pimples here, I'm some problems in here, so kapag hinayaan ko yan, kakalat yan. So, and I remember one of my dermatologist back home in the Philippines, he told me that if you have a pimples here, they're hard to medyo mahirap silang tanggalin. And sometimes kapag bumababa sila dito, it's actually not good kasi mahirap, as in they'll stay there. And you don't want to see the proof? I'll show you. That was pimples before. I was trying to fix it, rub something, but it didn't work. Actually, yung sadyan, hindi ko siya tiniris, hindi ko siya pinakialaman, pero nag-iwan pa rin siya ng marka. So, dati ang kinis-kinis nito, so pinabayaan ko na lang. So, and then also on my back, meron ang dami kong acne sa laba. Hindi na siya worse dati. I have yung iba nagka-keloid na. So I actually consult a doctor or a dermatologist. Di ko lang kung dermatologist siya, pero parang esthetician. I don't know how to say that. But chinek niya kung pwedeng i-laser. It didn't work because they have to put it like this and then check for a couple of minutes and see kung anong reaction ng balat mo. Ayaw ng skin ko, hindi siya, kasi nag-left siya ng mark. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang, I just put that loofah, yung parang mahaba siya na may handle siya. So, I put like a soap, a body wash. I don't use soap, actually. I use a body wash. Then I rub it onto my back. Kasi, syempre, yung likod mo medyo oily din. And then, yung mainit, yung oil, yung sweat mo, parang nag-stay sila doon. So, sometimes yung boyfriend ko kapag nakikita niya akong kinakamot ko, nagagalit siya. Sabi niya, wag mo kakamutin. Sabi niya, ang gagawin niya nun is, he will go and check my back. And then if he can see something that he can remove, he will remove it. Hindi siya, I will honestly tell you this, some people that have seen my back, like their reaction is like, ew, yuck. They always say that, which is kind of like, it's offensive, but at the same time, pabayaan mo na lang. You know what I mean? I can't do anything about it. But it's somehow yung confident mo nagiging low or something like that, because you see people that, they're like treating you, oh yeah, your skin is not smooth. What the hell? Sorry. But yeah, I have experienced that. So, but my boyfriend, no. I've never heard him saying this and that. He's actually very supportive. He is the only person that never say, well, okay, what's wrong with your back? Oh yeah, I have a lot of pimples. No, your back is okay. Alam mo yung tingin niya sa'yo is, you are wonderful. And you feel it, which is, it's like really kind of like, it feels way better kasi I've been treated unfairly before, so especially when it comes to my physical appearance. I'm not saying I'm pretty. I will say Jessica or Kaka the beautiful, but that doesn't mean that doesn't mean that I'm conceited about it. It's just a part of me na lagi mahilig kasi ako mag-joke, and people say sometimes that I'm very fun. I have a very good sense of humor, but I just look grumpy sometimes, but I'm not grumpy, so. sorry, I'm really hungry. But yeah, so whoever you are who has back acne or anything that has problem on your skin, try to go to your doctor and see what they can do. Probably can help you, but I am not sure. I think it depends on our skin and to our body too. And then if you experience some other people, like, you know, trying to, you know, skin shaming or body shaming you, just ignore them. Don't let them affect you, because at the end of the day, ikaw lang ang nakakakilala sa sarili mo. So those people that like been telling me like how I look like, I just realized that, you know, those people, they're just jealous at me, because even if I have this kind of skin, I didn't care. Even if I have this skin, I'm still confident. I'm still proud of myself. Even if I have this non-smooth skin, I have guts. I have skills that they do not have. And what most important is, I do not compare myself to them. So I think that's what you can only do to yourself, para yung, alam mo, yung maging, i-push mo yung sarili mo na kahit may tagyawat ka, it's okay. Kung gusto mong tirusin, bahala ka. It's your skin. Buhay mo yan. But basta wag ka lang makipagkaya. Pabayaan mo na lang sila. You know? Gumawa ka na lang ng paraan. Huwag mo silang patulan, kasi kapag pinatulan ng mga yan. I think the trick there is, if someone, like, you know, trying to, tawag dito, yung kinukutsa ka or something like that, or pinagtatawanan ka, use that as a weapon. Para one day, you'll never know. One day, you'll change. And alam mo yun, it happens to me. Parang alam mo yung bilog, yung tinatawag na bilog ang bola. That'll happen, but you just always have to believe in yourself. So, yep, that's just what I want to share with you. I hope you guys like this short video. Next time I will be showing you what I put on my my face. Somehow, kasi you have to put moisturizer, clean it in here, especially the weather. Iba yung humidity, and also yung klima is pabago-bago yung klima. So I'll show you how I do things, what I used, and then yep. Hope you guys like this video. Until next time, guys. Bye.